All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So buckle up. This might be a long ride. This is the ZTE Axon 30, and they finally came back with something really good. So we're going to check it out in this video. I'm going to give you probably a very detailed video this time and just give it all to you at once to kind of get it out of my system. So three 64 megapixel cameras on the back of this thing, and I believe you can use all three at once if I'm not mistaken. Snapdragon 888, 144 hertz refresh rate. They're calling it the seamless display. 5G Wi-Fi 6E, basically Wi-Fi 6, 4600 milliamp hour battery, and a 65 watt charger in the box. So let's get started. ZTE has decided to give you their best, and right now in 2021, June of 2021, the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra is it. Now, this device has a beautiful high-resolution display. It's got a 144 hertz display. They're calling it their seamless display. Beautiful. I will show you the speakers. I'll let you listen to the speakers and show you the screen at some point in this video. But this device has a couple of things going for it. First, it's the price. $750 for this model, which is the 8 gig 128, and then you have a 12 gig 256, I believe, for $100 more. Both right off the rip, I'm going to tell you, is if you're into these like flagship device, this is one you should probably take a look at. So price, check the box. I think they did well because this hardware is on point. This hardware is fantastic. If you're going to ask me, well, Jay, how does it feel? What does it feel like? People are saying that it looks like the Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra. I can tell you that it feels like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It feels exactly like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The only thing that's a little bit better is it doesn't feel as wide. It doesn't feel as wide, and so it's very comfortable in the hand. You do get a little case in the box, but I wouldn't use that. There's an exclusive leather case on their website for this device. It comes in one color, orange, and I think that is beautiful. I would definitely recommend you grab that if you want a real sturdier case for this, or there's cases on Amazon already, but that orange leather case is actually pretty sweet. So the hardware, it is so nice. I mean, it's just a premium feeling device, and you just can't get around it. It's got a curved back and a curved front, and it is just beautiful. The hardware is great on this thing. Now, some things that I think are totally subjective are the screen quality. And also the camera quality. Some of you guys might say, you know, Jay, I don't think the camera quality was that great. And that's totally understandable. But I can tell you that the full brightness on this thing is absolutely great. It is fantastic when you're watching it at full brightness or videos. I don't watch videos and movies at full brightness, but just testing it out is absolutely just crazy. And I will show you that in this video. So I had this great idea, this big unboxing, and I thought, scratch that. I'm getting ready to jump right in and just get started, and I'm going to start using the device, and I'm going to show you what you want to see is the cameras. So let's go ahead and take a look at the cameras, and then let's just close out. I'll go over to my desk and close out or something like that, because there's a lot about this device that I like already, but I just think that this is one of those get right to it videos, and that's what I have to do, because I've been waiting to get my hands on this, and I don't want to beat around the bush, and I don't want to hold you around too long on this video. So let's take a look at the cameras, and then let's just go finish out over there. Now, the camera can only shoot 1080p on the front, but it does do 4K and 8K on the rear. I'm going to show you the multi-camera mode, where you just choose through whatever camera views you want, and then you can shoot video that way. So let's go outside and let's take care of that. All right, what I decided to do is choose these three positions for the camera. It's actually pretty cool, man. I chose wide. It's 6 different viewpoints you can do. So I chose the wide angle, the regular, and then just the front-facing camera at the same time. But here's the multi-camera shot. Pretty impressive. This isn't new technology, obviously, but it's good to see it on more devices. Yeah. So here is 4K 60. Pretty good, man. I'm really liking the camera. It's actually really impressive. You can actually choose the direction of the audio. You can record on both sides of the device, or you can record just the front and the rear. There's an icon where it says, it's on the top of the device on the top corner, and it's got surrounds recording, which is the front and rear, or you can choose it for just the rear or the front, and I think that's pretty impressive. And so if I switch it just to the front now, you'll get audio just from me on this side. Yeah, so the audio should have changed right there. You should be hearing my voice a lot more strong This is why this phone is going to be good for vlogging, because you can direct the audio in the direction that you want it to go. So when I did the multi-camera shot, no option for that. But when you're shooting regular video, at least I didn't see an option for it. But when you're shooting regular video, I can focus the audio back on me. And as I step out of the windy air, it's really windy out. Step back a little bit, you can see the audio should get even better. So that's the rear camera. Let's go.
Right here on this wall, so I can have sort of a lounge when I want to relax in the man cave, and then desk, new rig, all that is right behind me. So I kind of compress some.
All right, guys, so that's kind of my first impressions here of this device. I'm feeling like this is a win. Right out of the gate, the hardware is super premium. The cameras are good. The speakers are nice. The screen is beautiful. And, you know, what more could you want for 750 bucks? There's not a lot of phones out there that are 144 hertz refresh rate and pack like this that are 750 bucks. There's not a lot of them. And so when you find one, you really got to hone in on it and enjoy it. And I really like how they have this camera set up. That might seem weird to a lot of people, but if I just show you here, that's just it's just eclectic. It's different. Everybody has their own little thing that they're going to do to try to stand out, and looks like ZTE decided to do it like this with this device, man. Really nice. I'm loving it. I like that you can see the refresh rate at the top up there. I think that's totally eclectic and totally different. So it's your man Jay. I gave you photos, I gave you video, I gave you a semi walkthrough of the software. Yeah, what do you think so far? You think this is a win for 750? I think it's pretty nice, man. I gotta say. Let's check some wallpapers and everything before I get out of here. Let's see here. Yeah, here are the vibrant and vivid, bright wallpapers I was thinking about. These are live wallpapers here. Let's change to something like this. Nice and bright. And let's check the brightness on the screen here. Woo! That is bright. That is a bright display, folks. That is crazy. This is crazy, right? This is so beautiful. I mean, it reminds me of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As soon as I pick it up, this if you know what a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra feels like, it feels just like this device. And that's a compliment for ZTE for that matter. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.